Ready to open the hood? UseTool for the tutorials.
And for car parts, the right idea is the Mr. Auto app. Easy, fast, and with better prices than on the website.
You will find the bulk battery used in the video exclusively on the Mr. Auto website and through the link in the description. Turn off your vehicle's ignition, set the parking brake, pull the hood release handle, and open the hood. This will allow you to see the battery, which is located to the right of the engine compartment. To remove the battery, you must unscrew the holding bar. Using a socket wrench and a 10mm socket, loosen the two fastening bolts, which will allow you to unhook the holding bar. You can now remove the bar. Never start by disconnecting the positive terminal with the car still connected to the miners. This risks creating dangerous sparks in the car's electrical network. Using a 10mm wrench, start by removing the negative terminal from the battery. When you remove it from the terminal, remember to keep the cable away from the terminal to avoid an untimely reconnection that could damage the electrical network of your vehicle. Lift the red plastic cover. Then, repeat these steps on the positive terminal. You can now remove the battery. Sand the inside of the terminals with sandpaper to remove the layer of white rust and to avoid breakdowns in the long run.
All parts used in this tutorial are supplied by our trusted partners. These partners also help us create as many video tutorials as possible. Check them out in the description below.
Take the new battery. Coat the terminals with copper grease to improve the contact between the terminals and connectors, but also to limit rust. Put the new battery in place and push it firmly into its frame. Put the battery's fabric casing back in place. Start by putting the positive terminal back on. Fix it in place with a 10mm wrench. Finally, do the same with the negative terminal. Then, reinstall the battery's holding bar and secure it using a socket wrench. Operation completed.
Hi, it's Theo from UseTool. I hope this video has helped you a lot in your car maintenance. We would be super grateful if you could spread the word so that we can produce even more tutorials. Simply give us a like, a comment, and hit that subscribe button. It really helps us boost the channel and help the whole community. Thanks a lot and have a great one.